How to use QR codes in the BLK Cards app, instead of NFC. No NFC card, no problem. Use the QR code feature instead. Open your BLK app. Open the menu, and go to your list. Click on the three dots. You will see the Show QR code option. Done. Ready to share. This is handy when someone has an older phone, or if you do not have an NFC card with you. To add a new URL to your list, click on the plus icon. Write or paste a URL. Give it a title, and press Save. Watch the other tutorial to learn more about how to use and manage your list. blkcards.com